guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. It's me, Jennifer Solitas. So for today's vlog, I'll do a get ready with my makeup. And we're talking about something super relatable, the dilemma of being a student. I know we all struggles with our own ways. Minsan sa academics, minsan sa motivation, at minsan sa sarili natin mismo. Pero today, I'll share not just about my struggles, but also how I deal with them. Kaya kung isa ka sa estudyanteng napapagod na, stay tuned, baka nakakatulong to sa'yo. So let's start with the first dilemma. Waking up early. You know guys, the feeling na you want to be a morning person. Pero every morning, parang awayan ng alarm at ng unan. Lalo na kapag puyat kagabi sa school works. So yan guys, this is the look of Tune Up sunscreen. This is the first I put on my face. And next, this is a blush. I used to snooze my alarm like 5 times. Result? Late na naman, rush, stress agad sa umaga. Pero how I did fix it? Simple. I made small changes. Now, I sleep earlier, I set 2 alarms, one beside me and one far from my bed, para kailangan kong dumayo para i-off. And I also prepare my things at night, uniform, bag, water bottle, para walang panic in the morning. It's all about creating a small morning routine. Trust me, it helps your whole day feel lighter. Next is concealer. The next dilemma is the struggle to focus. Yung feeling na gusto mo mag-aral pero ang daming distractions. Phone, social media, check out with friends, notifications. I know maraming makaka-relate dito, like I used to spend 10 minutes reviewing, 1 hour scrolling on TikTok.
Palapunta sa pagkaon, Ginoo, salamat sa grasya nga imong gihatag. Huwing unyara na, nangadji pa ta. Pasaylo ka siya, Lord, gutom lang yun siguro. Padayon ta, salamat sa tanang pagkaon.
So now, I do 25 minutes focus, 5 minutes break. I turn the ND mode on my phone. And I also make my study piece look at nice, my light, my water, my snacks para I actually want to stay there. And when I feel distracted, I remind myself why. Why I am studying. For my family, for my dreams, and the future I want. And that usually brings me back on track. This one is real. Homesickness. Yung moment na tahimik lahat sa boarding house, then you just miss home. Walang mama, walang lutong bahay. And I used to cry during my first few weeks. But what helped me is calling my family often, kahit 5 minutes lang. Nakakagaan ng loob. And I also keep photos, small things from my home. Parang comfort corner ko. And I also remind myself, I'm here because I want to give them a better life someday. And this is an eyebrow gel from Pink Flush and the mascara from Focalier. But I will only use this from my eyebrow, the mascara. It's because this is so nice. And the only use this is only the brush. The brush. This one hits hard, losing motivation. You know the time when you just feel tired of everything. You try hard pero walang subject. I've been there. What helped me is taking a step back and allowed myself to rest. Sometimes, rest is part of progress. I write in my journal. Lahat ng nasa isip ko, frustrations, goals. Then, I set a small goal. Like, instead of saying, I'll finish my schoolwork today, I'll say, I'll finish one subject first. Little means still count. And when I'm tired, I remind myself, you're not lazy, you're just exhausted. You're trying. Next dilemma is the boarding house life. Every Friday or Saturday, I'm so excited to go home. Like, I pack everything, the clothes, laundry, and the sadness. And the moment I step inside our house, finally, peace and comfort. Nothing beats the feeling of being home again. And after going home, the time is so fast. It feels like I just arrived, but suddenly it's already Sunday. It's like a never-ending cycle of uwi balik, uwi balik, uwi balik. But even if it's tiring, it's part of student life. Going home every weekend reminds me of why I am studying hard for my family and the future I want. So yes, it's exhausting, but it's worth it. And the last part of dilemma is how I do balance everything. So how I do balance everything, school, rest, social life, and mental health? I plan every weekend, every Sunday, list down the deadlines and priorities. I listen to music, watching movies, I take a rest. And I also surround myself with a positive people. And I also forgive myself for not being perfect. Balance doesn't mean doing everything. It means knowing what matters right now. And for now, my priority is learning even if it's low. So ayun guys, tapos na po tayong mag-makeup. And those are my dilemmas of being a student and how I deal with them. Being a student is full of challenges, stress, and sometimes tears. But it's also full of growth, friendship, and lessons go beyond books. To every student watching this, I just want to say you're doing great. You're allowed to take a rest. You're allowed to make mistakes, but don't stop trying. And someday, you'll look back and say, kaya ko pala.
어제의 말을 위로하고 새로운 모습으로 나아가 거울 속 내 모습은 빛나 화려한 변신 이제 시작해 비코러스 모든 시선이 날 향해 새로운 나를 보여줄게 숨겨진 내게를 펼치고 화려한 변신 날아오를게
Bye-bye, thank you. See you on my next vlog. Daghanag manok, oy.